Hey, amazing teachers, let's talk about homework. We all know traditional drill based assignments aren't exactly inspiring or effective. Filling in the blanks and conjugating drills might give students something to do, but do they actually help them use the language? Probably not. So here's an easy swap. Instead of drills, have students complete a daily recap task where they use 3 to 5 sentences to describe something they did today. It's low prep, highly engaging, and gets them using the language in context, just like real world communication. Another powerful switch: turn vocabulary lists into real life interactions. Instead of writing 10 sentences with new words, have students send a 30-second voice message to a classmate describing an object in the room using as many vocabulary words as possible. They can even ask their classmate a follow up question. This way, they're not just memorizing words, they're using them in a natural, meaningful way. Even better, this takes zero class time to grade because you can simply check for completion and move on. Making homework proficiency focused doesn't have to be complicated. Small tweaks like this make a massive impact. Want to see how your own CI teaching measures up? Take our CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and find out where you stand. It's quick, easy, and packed with insights to help you level up your CI game.